When you become a plant lover, you will do whatever it takes to take care of your garden. Having plants is not just about watering them and that's it. It involves protecting them from certain pests, giving them the right nutrients so they can grow or flourish. This is coming from someone who has managed to have a beautiful garden over the last few years. That's why I want to share with you a very interesting trick with which your plants can become very beautiful. All you have to do is bury a raw egg in your plants. I'll tell you how. The egg is one of the most complete foods because it gives rise to a complete living being. The white contains 88% water, and among the proteins, albumin stands out. The yolk is 50% water and the rest contains lipids and proteins, according to the Institute of Egg Studies. But for your plants, eggs have an incredible power that I will tell you about here. Eggs contain calcium carbonate and other minerals that provide nutrients to your garden. In addition, thanks to the properties of the eggshell, the pH of the soil can be neutralized so that the plant can grow in optimal conditions. The best part is that by placing the egg on your plants, you will keep snails or slugs away. It is not necessary to use fresh eggs for your plants to grow. You can use the ones that are past their prime, the ones that are broken, or when you notice that the yolk is starting to set. All you have to do is, in an empty pot, place some soil at the base. On top of that soil, place the egg or eggs, unopened. Cover the egg or eggs with soil. Then place the plant or seeds that you want to obtain the egg properties. Repeat this procedure with as many plants as you wish. After a few days you will notice that your plants are much stronger, healthier and more beautiful. This is because, as the eggshell decomposes, it will leave its nutrients in the soil and the plant will take advantage of them. After approximately 1 month the decomposition process will be finished. It is advisable to repeat the procedure after a few months so that your plant is always in good condition. Now that you know what happens if you bury a raw egg in your plants, be sure to try it in your garden. Did you know this great trick for your garden? What is your favorite gardening trick? Tell me about it below in the comments. Have a great day.